Hey, beautiful friends, I'm Rebecca.
Sometimes our emotions are like a roller coaster ride.
This quick practice is going to help to reset your vagus nerve.
It's also going to help with your vagal tone, and that's going to soothe your nervous system.
So just pause for a moment, have a seat. We're going to do a breath to soothe our nervous system. It's a vagus nerve toning exercise to help soothe the parasympathetic nervous system. So you're going to take a breath, inhale. Okay, so you're shedding those old energies and you're making the sound Om with your lips closed. It's also known as Brahmari breathing, bee buzzing breath. It's a type of pranayama and a vagus nerve exercise. Okay, and open your eyes, friends, take your hands to your heart. Namaste, my beautiful friends. Try this practice again, and please comment below. Let me know if it helped you at all, but try it regularly. If you noticed some of your edges moving, then that's great. And if you're interested in more practices like this, then subscribe to my channel and I will share them with you. Namaste, friends.
And I also have a free Yin Yoga retreat to share with you. So check out the links below. It's a 30-day retreat that I think you'll love. It will transform your life and your body. Check it out. Get involved. Namaste, friends.